Hello students, so in this video we will talk about the addition and subtraction of polynomial. So you can take a look for this notes. It's about actually for doing addition or subtraction of polynomial. The main idea is you should find the like terms, okay? Because like term can be combined together by addition or subtraction. So this is an example. Both of them are terms of x squared. So you can add them together. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So here, TS and ST, they are like term because TS can write an ST. So if they are like term, you can combine their number together, the coefficient together. 2 minus 5, negative 3. If the two terms are unlike term, let's say x squared and x, then you just do nothing. Alright? So in this page, we will try to use two methods, normal form and vertical form, to try to finish a problem of addition and subtraction of polynomial. So for the normal form, you may consider like this: 7c plus 2d, copy here, and then plus minus 3c. So plus minus can be written as minus, plus minus 2d, plus minus write as minus. So the polynomial will become 7c plus 2d minus 3c minus 2d. And then we try to move the like term side by side. So we know that 7c has a like term minus 3c. So we move the minus 3c to the side of 7c. And then 2d, it has a like term minus 2d. So write them side by side. And then 7c minus 3c becomes 4c. Plus 2d minus 2d becomes 0. Okay, so write nothing here. Okay, another form, vertical form. You try to write the like term up and down, up and down. And then this is a plus, so we write the plus here. And then 7 plus minus 3. So 7 minus 3, the answer 4. Plus 2 plus minus 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So 0d can be omitted. The answer 4c. Okay. So let's go on. We try to do some seems to be more complicated problem. Okay, let's take a look for this. So first of all, we should consider that this is a polynomial subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, that means if you write it in detail, it should be, we copy the first polynomial down here. Just copy, do nothing, just copy. And then we minus the 5 minus the negative 10r minus, no space, I cross it away, minus the negative 3r squared, and then minus the negative 8r cubed. Alright? And then you can see these sides, minus minus, minus minus, minus minus, or actually all of them can be simplified. Minus minus can become plus, right? Okay, because we learn it from yield formula that plus become plus minus become minus plus become minus become plus. Do you remember this? Alright, so we write the whole polynomial. Okay, just copy the first few terms and then it's become plus. So I copy plus. This is plus again. And this is plus also. Okay? Okay, so we try to break the bracket. So in this few steps, we try to break the bracket. Okay, break the bracket. Alright? Okay, next, we'll try to move the like term side by side. So we subtract them one by one. So here we have r cube. Here we have r cube. So we move them side by side. And then here we have r square. And here we have another r square. So we move them side by side. And then here we have 9r, 10r, move them side by side. And at last, we have 8 and minus 5. Alright? So at last, we try to simplify it. The first two terms, minus 9 plus 8, it is minus 1r. So minus 1r can be written as minus r cubed. And then 6 plus 3, that is 9r squared. 9 plus 10, that is 19r. And the last 8 minus 5, that is positive 3 plus 3. Okay, finish. Alright? Okay, let's go on. Okay, so in this part, we will work on the same polynomial as the last page, but we will use the vertical form, okay, to do it. Okay, so for vertical form, we should first find out the like term. Okay, so just the same way, R3 like term, R2 like term, R like term, and the last is the constant term. So we write the vertical form with all the like term up and down. Okay, first of all, we copy the like term of R at 9r cubed. So that should be negative 8r cubed. Okay, so these two are like term. And then the next should be minus 3r squared. So this is the second like term. And then minus 10r is the third like term. And the last one, the constant. Okay, because here has no sign for the 5. That means this is a plus. Okay? And then we try to copy the minus here. Okay? And then we try to minus the two terms, the two like terms together. So 9 minus 9 minus 8. Okay, very complicated. This is minus 9 minus 8. Okay, so minus, that should be plus. right? So it becomes minus 9 plus 8. Okay, so it becomes minus 1. Okay, and then we just copy the variable at the bottom. And then the next, plus, minus, minus. So minus, minus become plus. 6 plus 3. It is plus 9 r squared. Okay? And then here, 9 minus minus 10. 9 minus minus 10. That is 9 plus 10. So it becomes 19r. And at last, 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 is to be 3. Okay? So finally, the answer equal to alright, so it is the same as the last page. Okay, that means two methods are both correct. Okay, now we'll try to work on the question 6. So I will use the normal form to solve it. So first of all, we try to break the bracket. Okay, because this is plus, so plus plus become plus. We may just not changing it. And then plus minus, it is minus. So you can see if it is addition way, that means it won't affect all the side inside. Alright? So plus, still plus. Minus, still minus. Minus, still minus. Plus, still plus. No change. Okay? And then we try to add the like term together. So here 3a squared b, a squared b. So we add them together. And then this is ab. So this is AB, right? Add them together. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. And then this is A. This is A squared. They are unlike term. Okay? And also 5. It has no constant anymore. So all of this term, just copy them here. Okay, so that means what did we do? First of all, we try to break the bracket. Okay, and then we add like terms together. Okay. And we should do one more thing, that is, we should arrange it in descending order of degree. Okay? So, for the degree, this term is 3. Okay, degree. This term is 2. This is 1. this is 2. Okay, and this is the constant term. So we arrange it in descending order from the highest to the lowest. Okay, so you see the minus 7a squared term will be the third one. Okay, so that's the end of this question. Okay, so now I want you to try the follow-up 12. The 2 questions, follow-up 12. Okay, so you should pause this video, try to finish follow-up 12, and then come back to check the answer together. Okay, so time is yours. Please do it. Okay, now I will do this question with you together. So first of all, this is a minus. So remember to change the sign. Okay, so that means minus will become positive. Positive will become minus. Okay, so that means the next step will become just copy the first polynomial, and then the second will become minus 2y square z plus, remember this, okay, plus 6 plus 6z. Okay, do you know why? Do you know why it become plus? Okay, and then we try to add the like term together. So yz, no like term. Y squared z, like term here. Z, like term here. And then the last one, constant terms. Okay, so we can add them together. 5yz, I'm so sorry, you have no like term. 4y squared z, you had like term minus 2. So 4 minus 2, it is 2. And then plus z plus 6z, it becomes 7z. And the last one, minus 10 plus 6, it is minus 4. Okay, so that means this is a combined term by plus 4 and minus 2. This is another combined term, that is z plus z plus 6z. Okay. And at last, the constant term also combined by minus 10 plus 6. Alright? And then at last, we try to arrange it in order with the degree. So the highest degree should be 2y squared z, because it has the degree 3. And then 5yz degree 2, and then 7z minus 4. Okay, so again we are doing break the bracket. You see the bracket is disappeared in the second line, and then we try to add like term, and at last we arrange in order. Okay, Okay, now we try to do this example together. So first of all, break the bracket. Okay, break the bracket. Okay, so it becomes 4mn squared minus 5m squared plus 8. So minus minus become plus. Minus minus become plus. Minus plus become minus. And then we combine the like term. So like term. So constant terms. The other two, they are not like term. So 4 plus 2, that is 6. Okay, and then the others, no like terms. So just put them here. And then at last, plus 8 minus 4, that is 4. Okay, so we try to add like term. Okay, and then do we need to arrange it in order? Actually, it has already arranged because the first term with degree 3, the second and the third terms with degree 2, and the last is a constant. So it is already arranged. So no need to do anything. Finish the question. Alright? So now, would you please try to do your homework, and remember you should hand it on Monday. Okay, see you